This is the Airfix Aircraft Mystery Bundle, and I got it for just £49.99. That's 42% off retail. I don't know what's inside, but that's the whole point. See, this plays right into behavioral economics. That thrill of uncertainty, the feeling you might score big. That's prospect theory in action. People overvalue the possible win, even if it's random. Behind the fun, some serious business logic. Making a model kit costs Airfix a ton up front. Research, CAD, tool design, sometimes a whole year of effort. Then there's the steel molds. That's the real cost. But once the molds are made, injection molding more kits is dirt cheap. So mystery bundles help them shift stock, keep fans curious, and still make profit. And for us, it's like a hobbyist's lottery ticket. You know there's value, but you're here for the surprise. Let's see what the first kit is. First out of the box, the de Havilland Chipmunk T.10/T.20, the RAF's go-to trainer from the 1950s through the 90s. Think of it as the starter pack for countless pilots, including royalty like Prince Philip. This chippy was a post-war marvel. All-metal construction with fabric-covered control surfaces, offering a modern feel for its time. Its tandem seating and clear canopy provided excellent visibility, while features like anti-spin strakes and disc brakes made it both safe and agile. Fully aerobatic, it was a joy to fly and a dream to learn on. A true classic that bridged the gap between vintage biplanes and modern trainers. Next up, the Westland Sea King HC.4, the Royal Navy's amphibious workhorse. Nicknamed the Young Lai, this helicopter could carry up to 28 fully equipped troops or 2.5 tons of cargo. Its folding rotors and tail made it ideal for shipboard operations, while the rugged design earned it a reputation for toughness over 36 years of service. From the Falklands to Afghanistan, the HC.4 proved its versatility and resilience in diverse combat zones. And now, the Gloucester Meteor F.8/FR.9, Britain's first jet fighter to see combat. This twin-engine marvel was the RAF's leap into the jet age, trading propellers for pure jet power. The F.8 variant came with a sleeker fuselage and a blown canopy, giving pilots better visibility and a cooler look. The FR.9 added cameras in the nose, turning it into a high-speed spy plane. It wasn't the fastest jet around, but it was reliable, sturdy, and had a face only an engineer could love. A true classic that paved the way for modern jet aviation. The Airfix 2025 catalog. This little beauty is like the ultimate hobbyist treasure map, packed with every kit you could dream of, and some you didn't even know you wanted. I grabbed it separately because, honestly, who doesn't love a good browse? It's like Christmas all year round for model fans. And here's the Curtiss P-40B Warhawk, the fighter with a face only a mother could love, but a silhouette that turns heads. This bird was the backbone of early World War II air battles, tough as nails and ready to rumble. It wasn't the fastest climber, but it could dive like a hawk and take a beating. The P-40B earned its stripes with the Flying Tigers, sporting that iconic shark mouth and giving Zeros a run for their yen. It's not just a model, it's a piece of aviation attitude. Next up, the Curtiss Tomahawk MK.2, the British bulldog of the skies. This rugged fighter was the RAF's answer to early World War II challenges. With its distinctive shark mouth nose art, it wasn't just about looks. It was about making a statement. The MK.2 variant was a tough, reliable workhorse designed for low-level operations. It had a unique blend of agility and durability, making it a favorite among pilots. Despite its age, the Tomahawk MK.2 held its own, proving that sometimes it's not the fastest or flashiest, but the most dependable that gets the job done. And now, the Hawker Typhoon MK.IB, the RAF's ground-pounding powerhouse. With its massive 24-inch rocket tubes under the wings, this beast was built to take on tanks and German V-1 flying bombs. The Typhoon's thick wings and sturdy frame made it a favorite among pilots, despite its reputation for being a bit of a handful on takeoff. But once airborne, it was a terror to the enemy below. This kit captures all that rugged charm, from the chunky fuselage to the iconic bubble canopy. A true testament to British engineering and a must-have for any World War II enthusiast. Here's a cool thing I noticed. A few months ago, I grabbed the Hawker Tempest MK.IB, the Typhoon Slick post-war upgrade. Now, the mystery bundle throws the Typhoon MK.IB at me instead. So Airfix is clearly paying attention. They actually keep track of what you've bought before, which means they avoid sending you the same kits again. Even if it's random, they want to keep it fresh. And here's the kicker, this works because of some clever economic theory. They want you to buy all their stuff from their site so they can know your shopping list and keep avoiding repeats. I mean, I've got over 20 Airfix aircraft now, so this system keeps me hooked and my shelf full. Let's break down what I actually got in this mystery bundle and see if it really lives up to the hype. First up, the Chipmunk, £24.99, then the Sea King HC.4, £24.99, add the Gloucester Meteor F.8, £24.99, and finally, the Typhoon MK.IB, £11.99. That's a full RRP of £86.96 if you bought them one by one. But here's where it gets good. The bundle price was £49.99. I used a 10% off code. That's minus £5, then I cashed in some hobby reward points. Another minus £4.99. So the real price I paid? Just £40 flat. That's basically 5 full kits for the price of one high-end one. Over 54% off. And that's not just good value, that's Airfix-level behavioral economics wizardry. So now that we've cut through the sprues and counted the savings, let's talk brass tacks. The Airfix Mystery Bundle isn't just a fun gamble. It's a finely tuned business strategy built on solid economic theory. First, anchoring and prospect theory, Behavioral Economics 101. Let's start with the basics, 42% off. That number frames the entire purchase. It's called anchoring. Your brain locks onto the normal price and sees this as a bargain. Then there's prospect theory. We value avoiding a bad deal more than the logic of what's in the box. When you find out you saved 54%, feels like a jackpot. Second, blind box equals gotcha logic plus inventory mastery. Mystery means excitement. It taps into the same psychology as loot crates or trading cards. And for Airfix, it's a clever way to clear slow-moving stock without looking like a discount brand. Once the mold is paid for, each extra kit is cheap to make. So anything not selling fast becomes a surprise gift. Third, scarcity and urgency. Now here's the kicker. These bundles are limited-time offers. That creates scarcity, a classic behavioral trigger. You see it's almost gone, or once a year, and suddenly you're clicking buy now just to not miss out. Scarcity short circuits our logic. That's not marketing fluff, it's pure consumer psychology. 4. Experience economy in action. This isn't just a purchase, it's a mini event. You're buying a feeling. The suspense, the surprise, the reveal. That's called the experience economy, where what you feel matters more than what you own. For modelers, opening the bundle is almost as fun as building the kits. 5. Social proof and community buzz, and let's be honest, mystery bundles are content gold. You're watching my video, right? Forums, YouTube, Reddit. Everyone loves to share what they got. That creates social proof. When others post their bundles, it validates your own decision to buy or makes you want in. It's not just a transaction. It becomes part of the hobby's culture. So yeah, it's a plastic plane party with a master's degree in marketing. The Airfix Mystery Bundle? It's fun, it's sneaky smart, and it might just belong in the Behavioral Economics Nobel Prize case study folder. Stick around, I'll be reviewing and building some of these kits in future videos. If you like this one, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments. What's the best or weirdest thing you ever got in a mystery bundle?